being members of this hotel, we get the double chunk chocolate cookies.
You walk in, there's a mirror. And then I'm assuming this is a closet with a safe. The bathroom. The bedroom. Play. And then the view, it's not that great, but it will do. What was that? A Paramount Theater that we just walked by?
Yep. You know what park this is.
Frogs are so cute.
Fishing.
This one's fishing with its worms.
This one over here is just waiting.
This one's patiently waiting like all of us.
Found this over there somewhere. It's got a note and a little coin in there. So we're gonna go leave it somewhere.
We're gonna put it somewhere else. We found it over there with that circle thing that Zach was running around earlier. We're gonna leave it like. Are we gonna leave it over here or somewhere else?
Okay.
Wherever, but.
Typical horns in Boston.
We went and got our Starbucks this morning, and now we're walking around trying to find something to eat for breakfast other than Starbucks. I was very excited for the Starbucks in our hotel, but they did not have the mango dragon fruit refreshers that we like. So we found a place that had them, and now we are walking around Boston checking things out.